Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to translate your videos into any language you want to allow it to get more reach. So if you have a video that's either in English or Spanish and you want to translate it to, let's say, German or French, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do that for free. First thing you're going to want to do is head over to 11labs.io. I'm going to put the link down in the description so you guys can easily access it. So when you get to 11labs.io, you want to make a free account. Once you make a free account, this is how your home screen is going to look. Then you want to head over to the left hand side over here and click dubbing. And you're going to have multiple options here. You can upload your video if you have the video already on your computer, or you can paste the YouTube link of your video, or you can paste a TikTok link of your video. You can even paste your X link onto it as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over and go to YouTube and paste this link in and then hit create. But before you do that, you want to select the language that it currently is. Mine is in English, and the language that you want to translate it to. Mine's going to be Spanish. And then hit create. And you got to wait like about 30 to 45 seconds and for it to finish. Okay, once the video is done being translated, you want to go ahead and click either download, or if you want to view it before you download it, you can go ahead and do that too. I'm going to click view and then hit play.
¿Alguna vez te has suscrito a un boletín y luego, no sé, nunca los lees? Sí, yo también. Pero, ¿y si te dijera que hay una manera de consumir todo ese contenido sin complicaciones? Bueno, permíteme presentarte a Jellypod AI. Es una aplicación que usa la inteligencia artificial para transformar tus boletines de correo electrónico.
So it did a really good job. It translated it perfectly. It just was a bit too fast, but in terms of like the translation, it had it correct, which I'm very impressed. And it made it sound like my voice as well a little bit. So I like that aspect as well. So yeah guys, there you have it. That's a quick tutorial showing you guys how to translate your videos into any language. You can use that same process and translate them into French, Italian, German, you name it. If you guys enjoy tutorials like this, please make sure to drop a like and a follow. And also on the comments below, please let me know what language are you going to look to translate your videos. I'm curious to know. As always, have a great day. Peace.